Configuring Microsoft Authenticator for Azure AD Sign-In. The Microsoft Authenticator app offers an easy and secure way for users to sign in to Azure AD accounts using their mobile devices. However, before users can utilize this method, the authentication policy must be configured in your Azure tenant. This guide walks through the process of enabling Microsoft Authenticator and configuring the authentication policy. Why Microsoft Authenticator? Microsoft Authenticator allows users to sign in using either passwordless authentication or push notifications, providing enhanced security and convenience. You can also target specific groups for these policies, making it flexible for different organizational needs. Prerequisites. Before you begin, ensure you have the Global Administrator or Authentication Administrator role in your Azure tenant. Steps to enable Microsoft Authenticator. Access the Azure portal, log into https://portal.azure.com. This is where most of the configuration takes place. Note, the Entra Admin Center at https://entra.microsoft.com might also be referenced for future updates, though the general process remains similar. Navigate to Authentication Methods. Go to Azure Active Directory, Security Authentication Methods. Select Policies. Enable Microsoft Authenticator. Click on Microsoft Authenticator in the list. Toggle the Enable option to on. Target specific users or groups. You can apply the policy to all users by selecting All Users, or customize it for specific groups by choosing Select Groups. In the authentication mode, choose between. Any default allows all modes. Passwordless, for a passwordless sign-in experience. Push only allows push notifications, prevents passwordless phone sign-in. Save the configuration. Once you've set the desired policy, click Save to update the settings. Final steps. After configuring the policy, users will need to register their devices to use passwordless authentication or push notifications. This setup enhances security by removing the need for passwords while giving users a seamless sign-in experience via their mobile devices. This method provides flexibility and security, and it's essential to configure the policy based on your organization's needs. Make sure to regularly review authentication settings for best security practices.